Wow. I met with all types of people. I met with consultants, people that were at law firms, people that were in-house at tech companies, people that are looking to expand their own business.
Don't know what I'd ever do without you from the beginning to the end. You've always been here right beside me, so I'll call you my best friend.
Started my morning with a 5K with Harvey AI, and it's funny enough, this is actually one of the side events that's been going on around Legal Tech Talk and not an actual formal Legal Tech Talk event. Seen any people running? Like a group of people running?
That way with a cameraman behind them, isn't it?
Yeah. Here they chose for the 5K is actually right outside the O2, which is nice. After the run was over, I went home and I spent most of the morning working. Now I'm back at the O2, back at the conference center, and now I can have some more in-depth conversations, check out some of the booths, talk to some people, do some networking, and overall just learn about the industry, and I'm excited about that. I got 2 phones, one for the plugs and one for the Side note to everyone that was like, oh, you don't need a car in London, you don't need a car in London. You're wrong. I completely love having a car. I actually drive my car so much. It has definitely improved the quality of my life, hands down. Do you take photos in there?
You can do. Do you want to come and play? We are videoing it in slow motion, so.
Okay, let me check in first, and then I'm gonna come check it out. Thank you. All right, I don't know if it's worth it. You gotta put a full suit on to do it, though. Say goodbye to contract rage. I'm screaming. Oh, it's actually a rage room. That is a lot of contract rage, sis. Wow. I'm not trying to change and put all that stuff on to do it though. Oh look, Barbie's in here too. They have some bar prep places. Custom AI for legal teams. Headshot lounge. Interesting. I think there's literally every possible kind of tech platform I could think of is present. iManage is great. This is not a sponsored video. Oh wow, iManage has its own little section. This is really interesting, to be honest. There's so many different AI platforms that I never even heard of here. Like, wow.
I always like to keep abreast of what's happening on the tech world. It's helped me develop a strategy going forward as to how to build an AI strategy. Now we're talking about models changing rather than trying to catch up with the latest model.
So I'm catching up with sort of partners that I work with, looking for new partners that I want to engage with. I work in a law firm, so we have a lot of in-house tools as well as licensed products.
Especially the connections and meeting people at the round tables. That's been brilliant.
It's my first time at Legal Tech Talk, not my team's, but hoping to gain some new connections and potentially some nice leads.
I'm from Zapian, who are an AI automated due diligence tool. And actually, there's no one else here that does what we do in a room full of AI vendors.
Came here last year, I think. Bigger, better. There's more suppliers and vendors and so on.
I came about a couple of years ago when it was just a smaller affair and it was just on this floor. I'm completely bored over the scale right now. So,
looking forward to seeing some of the speeches as well. So my boss is speaking later, so I'm looking forward to seeing her too.
happy to be here. Lots of choices, lots of education, and it's a great atmosphere.
How does one go about getting one of these hats?
It's for booking demos with some of our tier 1 suppliers. They come back at the end of the day.
I might have one. All right, fair enough. Thank you.
Have a good one.
Some matcha. Thank you.
Gaining the courage to go to the sofa, put your feet up. Come on, it's for you. And is it good, the business? Okay.
It's decent.
It's enough.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's complimentary.
Listen, no, it's that one. So my first experience at Legal Tech Talk was wonderful. I made a goal that I was going to go in there. I was going to talk to 10 people at least. No, I was going to talk to as many people as possible, but I was going to connect with at least 10 people on LinkedIn. I hit that goal, so that was great. And it was interesting because a common theme that I kept hearing throughout when speaking to people, whether it was to record the short form video or just in general conversation, was that they came last year and it was nowhere near this big. Like, it is significantly bigger this year than it was last year. And it also speaks to the rate in which tech is evolving so quickly. Like, wow, like literally, it was like 6 floors. You guys saw in the video, it was huge. And there were so many different events happening at the same time, so many different conversations. I wish I could stay for more, but I have actual work to do, so I have to get back to work. And yeah, like, it was my first Legal Tech Talk. It definitely won't be my last. Thank you to Legal Tech Talk for inviting me, giving me the pass. And yeah, I'll see you guys next year. And hopefully I can connect with some of the people I met. I met with all types of people. I met with consultants, people that were at law firms, people that were in-house at tech companies, people that are looking to expand their own business, ventures, all that kind of stuff. And it was just great. It was a great experience. I love being around like-minded people, and I just had a really good time. So thank you again to Legal Tech Talk. Thank you.